Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're ready to take your confidence to the next level, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into 6 incredibly effective behaviors that will skyrocket your self-esteem and make you feel unstoppable. Whether you're looking to crush it at work, improve your social life, or just feel better about yourself, these tips are for you. So, let's jump right in. Number 1. Prioritize self-care. Our first confidence-boosting behavior is all about self-care. Think about it. When you take care of yourself, you're sending a powerful message that you matter. Start with the basics. Eat nutritious foods, exercise regularly, and get enough sleep. When your body feels good, your mind follows. But self-care goes beyond just the physical. Engage in activities that make you happy and relaxed. Whether it's a hobby you love, spending time with friends, or even just taking a quiet moment for yourself, these acts of kindness towards yourself can build a solid foundation of confidence. Remember, self-care isn't selfish. It's essential. When you treat yourself with love and respect, you'll start to see and feel your worth. Number 2. Set realistic goals. Next up, let's talk about setting goals. Confidence often comes from achieving something, and setting realistic, achievable goals is key to experiencing this. Identify what you want to accomplish in different areas of your life, be it personal, professional, or social. Break these goals into smaller, manageable steps. Each time you complete one of these steps, you'll feel a rush of accomplishment that boosts your confidence. Make sure your goals are realistic. If they're too ambitious, you might end up feeling overwhelmed or disappointed. By setting achievable targets and steadily working towards them, you'll build a sense of competence and self-belief that keeps growing. Number 3. Embrace positivity. Our third behavior is to embrace positivity. The way you talk to yourself has a huge impact on your confidence. Start by listening to your inner dialogue. Are you often critical of yourself? Do you focus more on your flaws than your strengths? If so, it's time to flip the script. Challenge those negative thoughts and replace them with positive affirmations. Instead of thinking, "I'll never be good at this," tell yourself, "I can improve with practice and effort." Surround yourself with positive influences. Spend time with people who uplift and support you. Engage in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. The more positivity you invite into your life, the more your confidence will grow. Number 4. Commit to learning and growth behavior. Number 4 is all about continuous learning and growth. When you commit to learning new skills and expanding your knowledge, you boost your confidence in your abilities. Try picking up a new hobby, enrolling in a course, or reading books on subjects that fascinate you. The act of learning is empowering and reminds you that you're capable of growth and improvement, no matter where you start. Stepping out of your comfort zone and tackling new challenges can be a tremendous confidence booster. When you succeed in something that initially seemed daunting, you'll feel an incredible sense of accomplishment. Number 5. Practice assertiveness. Next, let's talk about assertiveness. Being assertive means expressing your thoughts, feelings, and needs in a respectful and confident way. This can significantly boost your self-esteem. Identify situations where you tend to be passive or aggressive instead of assertive. Practice expressing yourself clearly and respectfully in these scenarios. Remember, it's perfectly okay to say no, to ask for what you need, and to stand up for yourself. Assertiveness also means setting healthy boundaries. When you respect your own limits and communicate them to others, you reinforce your self-worth and build confidence. Number 6. Celebrate your successes. Finally, always celebrate your successes, no matter how small they seem. Recognizing and celebrating your achievements is a powerful way to boost your confidence. Keep a journal of your accomplishments and reflect on them regularly. When you achieve a goal or overcome a challenge, take the time to celebrate. Share your successes with friends and family. Treat yourself to something special, or simply take a moment to acknowledge your hard work and effort. Celebrating your successes reinforces the belief that you are capable and deserving of good things. It builds a positive cycle of confidence and motivation that will keep propelling you forward. Conclusion. There you have it. 6 powerful behaviors to boost your confidence. Remember, building confidence is a journey, not a destination. By prioritizing self-care, setting realistic goals, embracing positivity, committing to learning and growth, practicing assertiveness, and celebrating your successes, you can develop a strong and lasting sense of confidence. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Let us know in the comments which behavior you're excited to try, and feel free to share any tips you have for boosting confidence. Until next time, stay confident and keep shining.